How do I go about adding products into the dynamic CRM system? On the right hand side you'll see I already have one product set up in my CRM system. It's a roller chain sprocket with 20 teeth, but maybe I have a new product out that's 25 or 35 teeth. How can I go about that? Well, you'll probably find your products under your sales section if you haven't edited your sitemap. Otherwise it may be under your settings section, but here we have products. I'm going to click on that. And once this loads, what I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to go to all products just to make sure I have an inactivated account or a product that I'm going to re-add into the system, because we really don't want to create duplicates on products. And I don't see this product that I want to add, so I'm going to click New. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give a unique ID, and we strongly encourage unique ID. I'm just going to make sure I keep my formatting the same here. 02, my product name. Optionally, I could say how many I have on hand. I'm going to say 50. If we did some creative workflow items, we could actually do inventory tracking inside of CRM to reduce the quantity on hand as sales and orders were fulfilled. I'm going to select a default unit because I'm not worried about weights and measures. In this case, I'm only worried about a count of units. We can talk about default units a little bit later, and then we'll select a primary unit. And then decimal supported, I'm just going to say that there's 0 decimal supported, and we can round on this. And if we wanted to, we could enter standard costs and current costs. If we wanted to try and do margin reporting, it's not something that's default in CRM, but they've provided the fields already so that we could do that kind of reporting. So I know that the standard cost of this fancier sprocket is just a little bit higher, so we'll say it's $12.75. But the current cost is a little bit lower because we're getting some discounts on our materials, so right now it's $11. And I'll hit Save. And it's warning me that a default price list hasn't been selected yet. Default price list is only recommended, it's not required. We can go about adding this product to the price lists at another time.